In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream movies and music over your local network using VLC Media Player. This is perfect if you want to play media from one computer to another, stream to your phone, smart TV, or even another laptop without copying files around. VLC is completely free, works on all major platforms, and once you set it up, it's incredibly powerful. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure VLC Media Player is installed on both the computer that will stream the media and the device that will receive it. Once that's done, open VLC on the computer where your movie or music file is stored. This will be our server. At the top, click on the Media menu, and from the drop-down, select Stream. This opens the VLC streaming wizard. In the Source tab, click the Add button. Browse your computer and select the movie or music file you want to stream, then click Open. Once your file is added, click the Stream button at the bottom. This takes you to the destination setup screen. Now click Next, and under the New Destination dropdown, select HTTP, then click Add. You'll now see options for configuring the stream. For the port, you can usually leave it as the default, which is 8080. The path can also be left as is for most local network setups. If you want to restrict streaming to a specific IP, you can do that here, but for most people, the default settings work perfectly. Click Next to continue. Next is the transcoding section. Transcoding is optional. If you're streaming on a local network and your devices support the file format, you can often leave transcoding disabled. If you do want to change the format for better compatibility, choose a profile like Video H.264 plus MP3 and MP4, or MPEG-2. Once you've selected your preference, click Next. Now click the Final Stream button. VLC will begin streaming your file over the network. If your firewall prompts you to allow VLC access, make sure to allow it, otherwise the stream may be blocked. Now let's move to the receiving device, also known as the client. On the server computer, you'll first need to find its IP address. Open Command Prompt by pressing Windows key plus R, typing CMD, and pressing Enter. In the command window, type ipconfig and press Enter. Look for the IPv4 address. This is the address you'll use to connect. On the client device, open VLC Media Player. Click on the Media menu, then select Open Network Stream. In the network URL field, type the address in this format, http:// followed by the source IP address, then a colon, and then the port number. For example, http://192.168.1.100:8080. Once entered, click Play. If everything is set up correctly, your movie or music should start playing almost instantly on the client device. You've now successfully streamed media over your network using VLC. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more simple and effective software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.